Have you heard about why smart people still make terrible money decisions? You would think intelligence guarantees financial success, but reality says otherwise. Today, we are diving deeper into the psychology behind costly financial mistakes. This video will completely change how you think about money decisions forever. Like, share, and subscribe before we uncover the hidden science of money behavior. 10. Intelligence does not equal financial wisdom. Being smart in school does not automatically make someone smart with money. Many highly educated people still struggle with debt-poor investments and overspending. Academic intelligence focuses on logic, while money decisions are emotional and behavioral. This gap creates a dangerous overconfidence in personal financial abilities. Smart people trust their thinking so much they rarely question their habits. They assume they will figure money out later without proper education. But financial success depends on discipline and psychology, not raw intelligence. This misunderstanding causes many brilliant minds to repeat the same mistakes. They solve complex problems at work, yet ignore simple budgeting habits. The disconnect between intellect and behavior becomes financially expensive. Understanding this truth is the first step toward better decisions. Real financial education is rarely taught in traditional systems. 9. Overconfidence makes people take bigger risks. Smart individuals often believe they can beat the system easily. This belief leads them to take larger and riskier financial bets. They trust their analysis more than market reality or long-term data. Overconfidence makes losses feel unlikely and success feel guaranteed. This creates dangerous investment decisions driven by ego, not strategy. When results go well, confidence grows even stronger. When results go badly, they blame timing instead of their approach. This cycle repeats until major financial damage appears. Overconfidence turns small mistakes into large, expensive lessons. True financial growth requires humility and patience. The smartest investors respect uncertainty instead of ignoring it. Humility often protects wealth more than intelligence. 8. Emotional spending defeats logical thinking. Even highly logical people make emotional purchases regularly. Stress, excitement, and social pressure influence spending behavior heavily. People justify emotional purchases using clever, logical explanations afterward. This creates the illusion of rational decision-making. Luxury purchases feel like rewards for hard work and success, but repeated emotional spending slowly weakens financial stability. Smart people convince themselves they deserve every upgrade. These small upgrades quietly turn into large monthly expenses. Over time, lifestyle inflation replaces wealth-building habits. Emotions quietly overpower logic in everyday spending. Awareness helps reduce this invisible financial leak. Small spending habits quietly shape long-term outcomes. 7. The fear of missing out drives bad investments. Smart individuals constantly seek new opportunities and innovations. This curiosity sometimes turns into fear of missing out. They rush into trends because others appear to profit quickly. Cryptocurrency boom, stock hype, and new tech bubbles attract attention. Fear of being left behind overrides careful research. By the time they invest, the hype has already peaked. Losses follow excitement, and confusion quickly replaces confidence. This pattern repeats across different financial trends. Smart people chase momentum instead of long-term value. Patience becomes the rarest skill during hype cycles. Avoiding the crowd often leads to better outcomes. The crowd usually arrives late to opportunity. 6. Analysis paralysis prevents action. Highly analytical people want perfect decisions every time. They research, compare, and evaluate endlessly before acting. This endless thinking delays important financial opportunities. Opportunities disappear while they search for perfect certainty. Meanwhile, average investors gain experience through action. Perfectionism becomes a hidden form of procrastination. Smart people fear making mistakes more than missing opportunities. But delayed action creates its own costly consequences. Financial growth rewards consistent action, not perfect timing. Progress requires imperfect decisions and learning from experience. Action beats endless planning in the long run. Waiting for certainty often means waiting forever. 5. Lifestyle inflation follows career success. As income increases, spending often increases even faster. Smart professionals upgrade homes, cars, and daily habits quickly. These upgrades feel like deserved rewards for hard work. but rising expenses reduce the ability to build wealth. Higher income creates comfort instead of financial freedom. This cycle traps many high earners in paycheck dependence. Luxury becomes normal and saving feels restrictive. The comfort zone slowly replaces long-term planning. Lifestyle inflation hides behind success and achievement. Real wealth grows when expenses rise slower than income. Discipline protects progress more than income alone. Financial freedom requires resisting constant upgrades. 4. Social comparison destroys financial discipline. Smart people compare themselves with successful peers constantly. Social media amplifies this comparison dramatically. People see highlights of wealth without seeing the full reality. This creates pressure to match lifestyles and appearances. Spending becomes a tool to signal success publicly. Financial discipline quietly weakens under social pressure. Comparison shifts focus from goals to appearances. Money decisions become emotional instead of strategic. This hidden competition damages long-term planning. True wealth rarely looks flashy or dramatic. Ignoring comparison protects financial independence. Quiet progress often beats visible success. 3. Loss. Aversion causes poor timing decisions. People feel losses more strongly than gains psychologically. This fear leads investors to sell during market declines. They panic when values drop and lock in losses. Later, they re-enter markets after recovery begins. This pattern destroys long-term investment returns. Smart people believe they are avoiding risk by selling early, but timing the market rarely works consistently. Fear creates costly, buy high, sell low behavior. Patience often outperforms constant reaction. Emotional timing leads to financial disappointment. Long-term thinking reduces this powerful bias. Calm investors often outperform reactive ones. 2. Complexity makes simple strategies look weak. Smart individuals love complex strategies and advanced techniques. Simple strategies feel too easy to be effective, but simple, consistent investing often beats complex trading. Complexity creates activity, but not always better results. Many sophisticated strategies increase stress and risk. Simplicity allows focus on long-term consistency. Smart people underestimate the power of boring habits. Consistency quietly compounds into powerful outcomes. Complex strategies often hide unnecessary risks. Simplicity remains the strongest long-term strategy. Understanding this shifts financial behavior dramatically. Simple habits win through consistency over time. 1. Awareness is the key to smarter decisions. The biggest advantage in finance is self-awareness. Understanding personal biases improves every money decision. Recognizing emotional triggers prevents costly mistakes. Behavioral finance explains why knowledge alone is not enough. Smart people succeed when they manage psychology effectively. Financial discipline grows through awareness and practice. Every small improvement creates long-term momentum. Money decisions become clearer and more intentional. Awareness transforms mistakes into learning opportunities. Better behavior leads to stronger financial futures. The smartest move is understanding your own mind. Your mindset shapes your money more than income. If you learned something valuable, share this with someone who needs it. Subscribe for more deep insights into money psychology and success. Comment your biggest money mistake and what you learned from it. Your financial awareness journey starts today. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.